Good afternoon, Trump world. How are you today? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So I'm just waiting for some of you to come in. Come in, Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Star Command, are you there? Hi, Susan. What's up? Who's sad? Why are you guys sad? Just tell me where you're from. Julie, what's up, Julie? Come in, Star Command. Lupe Fuentes, what's up, Lupe? Carolina Young. There was somebody in our chat yesterday from Singapore, guys, that supports Donald Trump. How cool is that? Come in, Star Command. I did great. What? Oh, okay. So right now, my son Michael, who's here, he likes to remain anonymous. He's taking me to San Francisco, so I'm gonna be on NBC today. What's up, Mauricio? California, LA. Julie, what's up? Yeah, it's sunny. So I'm gonna go to MSNBC. Yesterday I was gonna be with Matthew Harbaugh guy, but something happened, and so I'm gonna be today with another Chris from MSNBC. What's up, Steven? So who is that guy? That's me. My name is Marco. I am a Mexican American, and I support Donald J. Trump for President of the United States of America. So I just wanted to do a little video while I drive and get you guys, especially Hispanics, but everybody, get your opinion on the immigration speech last night. So it was a tough speech to deliver. You know, we have to I have to be honest with you. It's hard to deliver news like that. It's like when you're firing somebody, I think. But you know, it's reality, and we have to deal with reality, and that's the speech, and that's the flag that we're gonna go with. And today there's some articles out there. I was trying to get a hold of my yeah, tough but needed. You're right. What's up, Frank? Yeah, Sherry, you're right. So I was trying to get a hold of my friend Jesus Marquez, which is one of the 18 Hispanics that met with Donald Trump, because they're saying that some of those supporters, they took their endorsement back. And I saw somebody, I forgot the name of the guy, on CNN, that he says that he's a conservative, but he had endorsed Donald Trump, but he took his endorsement back based on the immigration speech. So I think Donald Trump, he means business, you know, and in the end, it all makes sense in the end, because I think the Hispanics, you know, this is what I think about Hispanics, because I am one. Our culture is a very dominant culture. The Spanish never conquered Mexico or Latin America. Read a little bit about it, but they didn't. They're indigenous. We are very dominant, and I think this is my personal opinion. And I'm gonna talk as if I was still Mexican. If you guys as Americans don't do something about this, us Hispanics, we're taking over. I have 6 kids, guys. Let's be honest. Let's be frank here. In the next 3 generations, if my kids have 6 kids, you're talking about 280 million people with the illegal immigrants and all the people that are here Hispanic based. So I don't think it's population control what they're doing, but it's definitely quality of let's talk about business. A business that doesn't take inventory will soon fail, will die. We don't know. I think what Donald Trump is doing, he's calling for an inventory, and he's calling for a head count. Who's here? What are you doing here, and what do you bring to our country? I think that's what he's saying. What do you guys think? In 2012, 60 million people voted to up to 60 million people. Romney. Okay. Yeah, the law is the law. I told you I didn't have a driver's license for about a year, and I felt really bad driving without a driver's license. So all these people that are, it's not fair for us, and it's not fair for the people that are here illegally, because they live in unhumane way of life. And I think that if they take care of whatever they have to take care to be part of this country, they will be productive citizens of society, and we will get rid of that soft culture. Because a lot of Hispanics live in a soft culture, not just Hispanics, but also Chinese. If you go to Chinatown, there's places that, you know, they have completely taken over. So I think, I don't know if you guys like Star Trek, but Star Trek, there is Spock says that the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. So I think that's where we're at right now. And the speech, I admire Donald Trump because he knows how to deliver. Reform comes with a price. We're having growing pains. And if we want to reform, if we want to clean the illegal immigration, this is what it takes. So yeah, some people are going to are probably going to go leave Donald Trump, but I think we're going to gain a lot more people too. So nothing personal, it's business. I'm on my way to MSNBC with not Chris Matthews, but it's the other Chris Boyce, I believe. It'll be at 5 p.m. my time. So watch me. And we need to talk about these issues. It's Donald Trump did his job. It's on the table. Now it's up to us. It's up to you, me, and everybody else to deal with it. And where's Hillary? Hillary, from her hospital bed, she tweeted something that, I don't know, Donald Trump extreme immigration policy speech. It was a failure of his first foreign capacity. But no, I think that Donald Trump showed true leadership, international level leadership. He took the bull by the horns, and he said, this is it, I'm here because we're gonna be doing a wall, we're gonna be building a wall. And I just wanted to let you know that. Actually, guys, did you know that the Guadalupe Hidalgo Treaty of 1850, 1849, Articles 6 and 7 allows for either country to build a wall. If Mexico was the prosperous country, they would not even think twice to build a wall. And you know that the Mexican immigration laws are very strict. Anybody that has been to Mexico, you guys know that as Americans, you can't buy land in my country, my home country. Here in America, we let anybody buy land. So Mexico is more strict in their laws, immigration laws. America first. That's how this country began. That's how this country was formed, by patriotism. And that's how this country needs to continue, because we have allowed to disintegrate ourselves. And this 10 steps of immigration policy will reunificate our status. Let's see. Alisa says it's ridiculous. Mexico has a wall. Good luck tonight. Thank you, Frank. ¿Qué pasó, Padrino Carlos? Saludos. Yeah, Mexico is a double standard. But let me tell you something. I'm Mexican, and the fact that Peña Nieto wanted to meet with Donald Trump, that says a lot. We have a saying in Spanish that's called Los mexicanos no dan paso sin guarache. That means we don't step out without our shoes. So Peña Nieto knows that there is a lot to lose if he doesn't work with Donald Trump. Yes, we're gonna build a wall. And too late for emotions and feelings. You're right, David. You're right, Marisol. Well, wish me luck. Put me your thoughts, because MSNBC, they're gonna corner me. They're gonna corner me, and they're gonna try to play the emotion card, like I'm saying right now. And I want to be on message. I don't want to break. So wish me luck. Pray for me. And thank you, Christy. Peña Nieto, he has a lot of opposition, because Peña Nieto is also a reformer. And when you try to structure society, that's what happens. People oppose. There's a lot of opposition to structure ourselves. But if we don't structure ourselves, all this, the left, the socialism, it's not even socialism, it's like anarchism. Well, I hope to hardball with Chris Matthews, but I guess he's not gonna be the one tonight. It's gonna be somebody else. Look, there is not a lot to talk about. It's just they're either with us or they're against us. There's just no way around it. The people have spoken. The silent majority has awakened. They came to play, and they're saying we're tired of this. Obama is a regimen. It's a 5 p.m. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your prayers, and we're gonna change the world. There's a lot of people around the world that are with us, are with you. There's people from France, there's people from Brazil, from Argentina, from every country that are reaching out specifically to Hispanics, because that's what the problem is right now. The Hispanic culture has been imposing, and it's colliding, and I think the Americans are starting to react to that imposition. Because guys, let's be honest, if you don't do something about it, us as Hispanics, we're gonna have the White House full of taco trucks, and we're gonna be selling paletas in every corner around the White House. And we're gonna have piñatas and atole, and we're gonna just, I know my people, guys. And you need to structure, you need to defend your country, our country. Thank you for all your wishes, guys. And may the force be with you. Talk to you soon.